let's break down a shuffle step from Erin Lai. Toe, heel, toe, toe, heel, toe. All right, so here's a couple of errors I typically make. Toe, heel, and then coming into here, instead of toe, heel, I'm moving across to here, which is the look. And then also, instead of really getting that heel, just kind of like toe, flippy floppy, right? So we really want toe, heel, cross, toe, heel, cross, especially on this leg. I really just want to kind of be sloppy. Now, one of the things that helps me is to use counts. A 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. A 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So let's try that again. A 1 and 2, a 3 and 4. Yes, but that's the wrong position. All right, let's get it right. 1 and 2, 3 and 4. There we go. So it's that swivel that we need to get. Toe, heel, cross, toe, heel, cross. Ah, that's better. Ba-dum, bum, bum, ba-dum, bum, bum. Yes, because ba-dum, bum, bum really is helpful, I find. I think you may find the same. All right, one more time. Ooh, now, wasn't quite getting the heel down, but getting the hip action. Again, toe, heel, across, toe, heel, across, toe, heel, across. Now, the last thing before this video ends, listen to my feet, listen to the sound. I know you can hear it. So I think sometimes the sound can help